I got it chiseled off at the bottom here. Had to tie it down with a piece of electrical cord. So I have enough room to do that. And my rotary tool stopped working, or something happened with that, so I had to use my drill and attach the rotary saw to it. Let's get it here. I can't work it off like that. It's coming pretty good. There you go. Came right off. This is the other end, and I'm trying to work it over the line right now. Okay, we got everything clamped down. Get this back to the socket here. I got my pin right here. Got everything connected and got my pin back in there. Put this back on.